Hello class, now in this lecture we will see what are the different features offered by power window, and we will see the circuit diagram which is used for the power window. So normally there are 4 doors are present in case of the car. Okay, at each door we are having a control panel of the power window, but there is a difference. The control panel which is present at the driver side having some additional features and more feature as that of the control panel present at the passenger side doors. Okay, so the remaining 3 door, that is passenger side door, are having only button to operate their window up and down. Okay, two position buttons meant to say. And in case of the control panel which having at driver side having a 4 position buttons of each window, means it having a control of passenger as well at his side also. Okay, so जो ड्राइवर है उसके साइड में जो कंट्रोल पैनल होता है, that control panel having a control of his door as well as remaining 3 doors also. Okay, but those buttons present at the driver side control panel are having a 4 position each. So out of 4 position, 2 position for the standard mode operation. What are the standard mode? That is push to first detain, push to first position meant to say. Out of this 4 position, okay, 2 position for the standard mode operation. Okay, for the purpose of push to first detain. Detain means position, and hold to raise or lower the window. Okay, 2 position for up and down movement of the window of each doors. Okay, and hold means you have to not release the button, you have to push and hold the button till the point up to what level you up to your desired level window is open or not or close or not. Okay, means जहाँ तक आपको चाहिए वहां तक विंडो ओपन हो रहा है या क्लोज हो रहा है, अप टू दैट पॉइंट तक आपको बटन को पुश करके होल्ड करके रखना है. सो दिस इज अ 2 positions. फर्स्ट पोजिशन फॉर ओपनिंग एंड अनदर पोजिशन फॉर क्लोजिंग. ओके, तो ये हो गया 2 position, एंड रिमेन अदर टूज आर पुश टू सेकेंड, पुश टू सेकेंड डिटेन और सेकेंड लेवल और सेकेंड पोजिशन एंड रिलीज. ओके, मीन्स अनदर 2 position होते हैं. पहले 2 position हो गए जो ड्राइवर के साइड के जो बटन्स होते हैं उसके 4 position हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. उसमें से 2 position इज पुश एंड होल्ड टाइप होते हैं, एंड अनदर 2 होते हैं दैट इज पुश एंड रिलीज टाइप. मतलब ड्राइवर नीड नॉट टू कीप होल्ड पुशिंग, और उसको होल्ड करके रखना नहीं है वो बटन पुश करके जब तक जिस लेवल तक वो विंडो ओपन होती है. ही जस्ट हैव टू press that button up to that level, up to that position, and release the button. और ये पोजीशन जो रिमेनिंग 2 position होते हैं दैट इज फॉर फुल्ली ओपनिंग एंड फुल्ली क्लोजिंग पर्पज. अगर ड्राइवर को पूरा ओपन करना है विंडो, तो वो क्या कर रहा है, अप टू दैट लेवल तक बटन को पूरा प्रेस कर रहा है और रिलीज कर रहा है. ओके, सो ड्राइवर नीड नॉट टू hold the button till it is not completely closed or completely open. So for completely opening and completely closing purpose के लिए ही ये another 2 position होते हैं, वो ड्राइवर साइड का जो कंट्रोल पैनल होता है उसमें होते हैं. नाउ अनदर थिंग, रियर विंडो चाइल्ड लॉक स्विच. अब ये क्या होता है कि पैसेंजर साइड में जो 3 doors है पैसेंजर साइड के, अगर उन पैसेंजर को ड्राइवर को विंडो ऑपरेट करने नहीं देना है, दैट टाइम ही कैन एक्टिवेट the passenger side control panel by single pressing one button which is present on his control panel. Okay, so that is we can say a child lock switch, or even though one switch is there, through that switch all window control panel is stopped to working. We can say that a lock switch we can say. Okay, accidentally if anyone press the button, okay, for opening and closing, so it should not happen. For that purpose one button is there which deactivate all the control panels, or we can say that is a lock button, or the block button is there, which is present at the driver side control panel. Another thing is window anti-trap detection feature. In many cases, if we are supposed to be we are not aware in that case someone hands is projected outside the car through window, and without knowing this thing, so the driver or the any passenger want to close the window at that instant. So there is a chance of trapping the hand of the person in between a window frame and the glass. So if we have such feature that is anti trap detection, then what happen, वो जो हमारा सिस्टम रहेगा वो ऑब्जेक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई कर लेगा या सेंस कर लेगा, एंड दैट ग्लास विल स्टॉप एट देयर पोजीशन, एंड इन सम केसेस इट विल रिवर्स, okay, to give some space that person to remove his hand. So for that purpose we are having a sensor on the frame. Okay, whenever any object get trapped, because of that the sensor get pushed, or the force get act on that sensor, on that strain gauges. Okay, so that strain sense, the change in strain is sensed by that sensor. Okay, or applied force is sensed by that sensor. So sensor is normally called as a tactile sensor, or we can say simply strain gauges they are using. Okay, by sensing the force, or by sensing the change in strain, okay, the part get identified which is trapped in the window and the glass. Okay, and once it get detected, the window will move in reverse direction to give chance to that person to remove that object. So this is the window anti-trap detection system. We will see the in window in this image. This is a driver side console which is having a 4 buttons, 1 2 3 4, each of them having a 4 positions. What are the 4 positions? This is the first position, this is second position, this is the third position, this is the fourth position, and this is the default position upward. Okay, so each button for each window we have. So this is for left side rear window, this is right side rear window, this is for driver side window, and this is for co-driver side window. Okay, upside and downside. Up for closing, down arrow showing for opening. Okay, so this is for this line for opening, this line for closing. Okay, downside for opening, upside for closing. So when we pressing at this position, okay, for if you want to open the window, then driver will push up to this level. He will press a back arrow button up to this level, and he want to only open 50%, then he will keep holding or pressing and keep holding this button up to the rear left side rear window will not open up to 50%. If you want to open fully, then he will press this button up to this level and release it. Means he want to completely open, that time he will press once up to this level. Okay, and he will release button, so automatically the window will open fully. So this gives a convenience to driver कि he need not to monitor whether window is open completely or not, and he can concentrate on his driving. He just won't have to press the button up to this level once. Okay, if you want to close completely, then he have to press this up arrow button up to this level once. Window will get closed automatically up to the maximum level. Okay, so no need to monitor a driver or keep on monitoring and holding that button up to window is not closed. So because of that, driver can get a chance to concentrate on his driving, and he is not bothered about whether window is closed or not. Okay, so for that purpose only these 4 positions button are present at the driver side console. Now this is a rear window lockout switch. Not only rear window, by pressing this button we can have all control panels of window can be deactivated or locked. Okay, so in some cases it is only in some manufacturer will give you only to block a rear windows. Okay, some manufacturer give the feature to lock all the power consoles. Okay, so this is depend, and this is the button to adjust a mirror. Okay, outside rear view mirror we can adjust by using this button. Okay, the joystick type button is there. Okay, by using the joystick you can have a you can adjust the outside rear view mirrors. Now this is the thing, this is a console panel which we have seen previously, and it's connected to the motor. Okay, we are controlling the motor. We are just changing the polarity of motor to have clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. Okay, by using this control panel. This is a red color line is showing anti-trap detecting sensor or tactile sensor or strain gauges, strip of strain gauge. Okay, it is it's located over here. So if in the glass and the sensor strip, if any object get trapped, like here tomato is shown, okay, so by detecting this object, window will stop at that position and will start to move in reverse direction somewhat. Okay, not fully close, it will not fully open, it will open only 10% from his initial position. So his position से वो only 10% नीचे आएगा and will stop. So this object can remove easily, which get trapped in the frame and the glass can remove easily. Okay, so in that way only it will move 10% down. Okay, so this is the thing, anti-trap detection feature we have. Now we'll see the circuit over here. So here the circuit shown, entire circuit of the power window is shown. So we are not discussing the entire circuit over here, we are only discussing the one circuit. So this is the control panel of driver side, this is the control panel of co-driver side. Okay, this is the control panel for this side, is for the left side rear passenger, and this is right side rear passenger. Okay, so this is the negative KL is nothing, KL31 is the negative wire and KL30 is nothing but the positive wire. So wherever you will see KL31, okay, which is the negative point. Here KL31 is, you can observe. Okay, this is a KL31, this is a KL31. So these are the negative and KL30 are the positive line. So this is the positive line which I have shown by dotted. Okay, it's dotted KL39. Okay, dottedly connected, and KL31, this is continuous line, and KL30 is the dotted line. So positive and negative both polarity is given to rear console and the front console as well. Okay, this is a child lock switch which is present here. Okay, so whenever driver press this thing, we can say this button, big button, okay, which is present over here, which directly removes a positive connection to this console and this console, which is present over here somewhere. Okay, so here is the motor, you can see motor having a buttons. Okay, we are discussing a motor of the front door only. Okay, driver side door only. Okay, so this is the button we have. This button is having two side, or this button having actually 4 position. The first 2 position we will discuss. So for that purpose, here you can see this is the arrow. If we connect this arrow with this point, okay, then positive connection is given to this side of motor and negative connection is given to this side of motor. Negative connection is already there through this. Okay, so motor will start to rotate in this direction, clockwise direction. When we connect this arrow with this dot, then positive terminal is connected to this side of motor and this will be a negative. Okay, so motor will start rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Another thing, armature is present at the each position. This will be the third and the fourth position of the switch. When driver press the button till the end, third, then this armature get magnetized and hold the button till entire window will not open. When driver press this button till this point, then this side of armature get magnetized and the window will motor get rotate till window is not closed completely. Okay, so this is the 4 position switch. After this is the anti-trap detection sensor. Anti-trap detection sensor. This sensor having a strain gauge, which is this arrow we can observe over here below that sensor, that indicating the direction of force application whenever object get trapped in between the window and the glass. Okay, so whenever it happens, that time this sensor bypass the switch. Okay, all those switches get bypassed and directly this sensor connect the motor in reverse direction to positive and negative supply. Okay, and motor will rotate in anti-clockwise direction to remove or to open the glass or to down the glass, so can that object will so that object can we can remove easily. Okay, so this is the thing done by this anti-trap sensor. Up to that point जब तक कोई object trap नहीं होता, up to that point this anti-trap contact or the anti-trap sensor not come into the picture. So this is present in every way, at this door also, here also, here also, and the here also. So same thing is happening at every console. So this is the circuit which we are using in case of the power window.